How to add video to Shopify product pages. So first is to log in to your Shopify account. So once you're logged in, by default, you will be directed to the home page. So just click this products option and it will direct you to your product page. Then click this add product button. So this is where you can add video to your product pages. So there are different ways on how to do this. So the first method is here in this section, media. So what you have to do is just click this upload new button and then select the video that you want to upload and then click open. So it may take a while for the videos to be uploaded, especially if the videos are long. So the other method is to add the URL of your video from any of the video hosting website. So say for example, your video is in YouTube. So just copy the URL of that video and then click this add from URL text. Now here, paste the URL of your video. Then click add file. So once you're done uploading your videos, you can now click the save button located on the upper right corner. And so that is how you add video to Shopify product pages. Thank you and have a great day.